Okay, so if you're trying to run a business online, you know the feeling, right? That constant chipping away at your profits, the crazy complexity, the sense that the whole system is kind of working against you. But what if there was a completely different way, a radically simpler way? Well, today we're looking at a new platform that's doing just that, proposing a truly rational way to trade in this digital world. And it all starts with this one idea, something I think almost every business owner feels deep down. Today, business feels heavy. Yeah. It's that weight of trying to manage a million different fees, weird percentages, and all these different platforms. It's that mental exhaustion of figuring out what you actually made after everybody else takes their slice of the pie. It slows you down. And here's what that heaviness is really made of. You've got the endless discounts that eat into your margins. You've got the percentage cuts that platforms take just for existing. Then there are the fees from payment gateways. And sometimes it honestly feels like you're paying taxes on top of other taxes. It's a system that just seems designed to pull value away from you and your customers. But what if it didn't have to be like that? What if we could just get rid of all of that noise? This is where the big idea comes in. Online business should feel lighter. It should be fast, it should be direct, it should empower you, not bury you in complexity. It's a total shift in thinking. And this is the proposed solution, Frycold.com. The definition is so simple, a rational way to trade. And that word, rational, that's the key. It points to a system built on pure logic and simplicity, one designed to just cut out all that unnecessary friction we were just talking about and get back to what commerce is supposed to be, a simple, direct exchange of value. So how does Freigold actually make things feel lighter? Well, it's all built on one single, incredibly powerful idea. $1. That's it. A single, universal standard for every single transaction. No percentages, no hidden fees, no confusing pricing tiers. Just one flat, totally transparent dollar. It's such a simple concept, but it's the engine that powers this entire platform. Okay, a $1 fee sounds great, but how does it really hold up across all the different kinds of businesses out there? Let's take a look at how this one standard is applied literally everywhere to create one unified marketplace. So check this out. This table just lays it out so clearly. Look at that consistency. If you have a storefront, you set your own terms, you get a free delivery system, and your customer just pays a flat $1. If you're a freelancer, no more bidding wars, no platform lock-in, your client pays $1. It's the exact same for wholesalers connecting with buyers. What about logistics? The business pays nothing and the customer covers the shipment with that same single dollar. And bookings? It's free for your business with that same predictable fee for your customer. See? It's the same simple, transparent cost no matter what industry you're in. This quote just sums up the whole vision perfectly. One platform, many industries, one standard. It's about creating a totally level playing field, a universal language for how we do business. Doesn't matter if you're selling products, offering services, or shipping goods, the rule is always the same. And that simplicity is what frees you up to focus on what you actually do best, instead of trying to navigate some crazy maze of fees. And this right here, this gets to the very heart of why this is such a big deal. It isn't just about being efficient, it's about being fair. Everyone deserves a fair start. Think about it. When you remove those huge percentage-based barriers that stop so many people, a system like this really empowers new entrepreneurs, small businesses, and independent creators to compete on their own terms. It basically democratizes access to the entire market. Which brings us to this final, really powerful question. I want you to really think about this. If you could get rid of all that weight, all that complexity, and know for a fact that every single transaction had one simple, predictable cost, what would that free you up to do? What new ideas could you try? What could you build? It's an incredible question about the massive potential that gets unlocked when business finally becomes rational.